Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best tabletop air hockey is probably one of the most exciting and engaging tabletop games you can find, offering a perfect blend of skill, strategy, and adrenaline-pumping action, all within the convenience of your own home. This video will dive deep into what makes a great tabletop air hockey game, helping you choose the perfect one to elevate your game nights and family fun. Number 5. BCP 2x4 feet 10 in 1 game table. Gather your family and friends for hours of fun and laughter. This 10 in 1 game table offers endless entertainment for everyone. It's more than just a game table, it's 10 games in 1. From hockey to backgammon, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Easily switch between games with its interchangeable tabletops. It's perfect for any age and skill level. It's compact and easy to store. All surfaces stack neatly, making it ideal for smaller spaces. With its sturdy legs and non-slip feet, it provides a stable playing surface for all your games. Enjoy worry-free gameplay. It comes with all the accessories you need to start playing right away. Over 50 accessories are included for your convenience. Get 10 games for the price of 1. It's the perfect addition to your home, game room, or anywhere you want to have fun. What we like. It has 10 games in 1 table. This is perfect if you are looking for a space-saving option that offers a variety of games to keep everyone entertained. If your family enjoys many different types of games, this is the best choice for you. What people say. The game table seems sturdy, and if taken good care of, it will last for a long time. Everything looks well. The design is great. Very sturdy, and the quality is awesome. There is so many options to keep them entertained. Assembly was easy with 2 people, though I'm sure 1 person could handle it. The size is good, it's stable, and has all the accessories you could want. Number 4. Sport Squad HX40 Air Hockey. Get ready for fast-paced fun with the Sport Squad HX40 Air Hockey Table. It's easy to assemble and perfect for game nights with family and friends. It features a high-output fan powered by an AC 12V motor for a smooth, realistic gameplay experience. Enjoy a quiet yet powerful airstream for frictionless action. Assembly is a breeze. Simply attach the goal boxes, grab your strikers and pucks, and you're ready for action in just 5 minutes. Keep score easily with the manual scorers. This compact table is built with durable MDF and features non-marking rubber pads to protect your surfaces. It's lightweight and easy to move, perfect for any space. The Sport Squad HX40 is great for kids and adults. It's the perfect addition to your game room, dorm, or even the floor. We're confident you'll love it. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer service team is here to help. We value your feedback to make our products even better. As an American company, we're dedicated to creating high-quality, affordable games for families to enjoy. Make memories with the Sport Squad HX40. What we like. This one boasts a powerful electric fan for a smooth gaming experience. It's super easy to set up, making it ideal if you want a quick and fun game. If you are looking for a portable and easy-to-assemble air hockey table, this is the one for you. What people say. It's very easy to assemble. Easy directions to follow and read. It's sturdy, lightweight, and can easily be stored upright in a game closet. Assembly took 3 minutes and has provided hours of fun. The holes on the board are just big enough to let enough air through so the puck glides nicely across the board. Number 3. Best Choice 40 Inches Air Hockey. It's more than just a game, it's a blast from the past, bringing the excitement of the arcade right to your home. Enjoy intense competition with friends and family. It's lightweight and easy to move, so you can set it up anywhere. Play it on a table or even on the floor, the fun is always close at hand. This isn't your average air hockey table. It features a powerful 100V motor that creates a super smooth playing surface for a truly frictionless experience. Keep score effortlessly with the manual sliding scorekeepers. Plus, it has convenient puck returns on each side to keep the game moving. The simple design ensures a level playing field, so it's all about skill, not home rink advantage. Get ready for some intense competition. Everything you need is included: 2 strikers, 2 pucks, and a smooth playing surface. Just open the box and start playing. What we like. It's compact and portable, and it has a strong motor for smooth gameplay. If you need a portable air hockey table that you can take anywhere, this is a great option. If you like to play air hockey on the go, this is perfect for you. What people say. Works well. Fun, smaller size option for home use. Kids and adults both have fun with it. Well made. The table is a nice size, not too big for the house and not so small players are reaching across the center line. The airflow is shockingly perfect. The disc slides easily across the table, but if going too slow, it'll eventually stop, much like on a full-size table. The disc bounces back and forth exactly like I'd expect from a full-size table. Overall works well. Instructions on assembly are good. Plays well. Number 2. Best Choice 58 inches Air Hockey. Get ready for fast-paced fun. This air hockey table brings the arcade experience home, offering hours of entertainment for the whole family. It features a powerful 12V motor that ensures a smooth, consistent playing surface. Watch the puck glide effortlessly across the table. Built with high-quality composite wood and PVC, it's designed for lasting durability. Adjustable levelers and reinforced corners guarantee stability on any surface. Keep track of the score with ease using the digital LED scoreboard. No more arguments about who's winning. It comes complete with 2 pucks, 2 pushers, and a convenient carrying bag for easy storage and transport. Everything you need for instant gameplay is included. Certified by ASTM and CPSIA, it's safe for kids and adults alike. Get ready for some friendly competition. What we like. This air hockey table comes with a digital scoreboard and a carrying bag for easy transport and storage. It's sturdy and well-built, ensuring long-lasting fun. If you value durability and convenience, this is the one for you. What people say. This air hockey table was exactly what I wanted for my family to enjoy. They truly loved playing as well as this 72-year-old Nana. It arrived in perfect condition, and while the scores can be automatic by placing batteries in the scorekeeper, we used the manual scoring that is on each end of the table. My son put the table together by himself in a short time. I am very well pleased with this purchase. The airflow is great and I haven't had any problems with this table. Looks cool and way better than a little cheap tabletop air hockey. Looks decent quality for the price. Arrived with all parts, no damage. Assemble with Allen wrench and Phillips screwdriver. Went together easy enough. Blower works fairly well for the price. Number 1. Best Choice 4-in-1 multi-game table. Get ready for hours of fun with this amazing 4-in-1 game table. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. With 31 inches of playing space, it's the ideal size for children to enjoy friendly competition. It's sized just right for comfortable gameplay. This versatile table offers 4 exciting games: air hockey, table tennis, billiards, and foosball. There is something for everyone to enjoy. It's built with a sturdy wood frame and high-quality MDF, ensuring long-lasting fun. Plus, it meets US safety standards for peace of mind. Switching between games is a breeze. Simply stack the playing surfaces and use the convenient 7.5-inch storage space inside the table. It's easy to set up and put away. Everything you need to play is included. You'll receive paddles, cues, and all the game pieces for a complete gaming experience. The table measures 31.5 L x 29.5 W x 13.75 H inches. Specific dimensions for each game are also provided. What we like. It's a 4-in-1 multi-game table, perfect for kids. It's easy to set up and store, making it ideal for smaller spaces. If you're looking for a fun and versatile game table for your kids, this is a great choice. What people say. I love that everything is stackable. It's great for younger children because everything is smaller, and at their level. Easy to put together. Functional. Doesn't take up much space. This was a great addition to the game room and more affordable alternative to some of the bigger sets that come with table legs. Love having the array of games to play and the quality is pretty good. Comes as described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.